We started off hunting for ghosts and demons, and we found that to be very accurate with paranormal equipment and high-tech cameras. Now we are looking for UFOs, mermaids, Loch Ness monsters, Bigfoot and more. Watch as the team investigate overnight at these haunted locations and captures compelling evidence of the supernatural and strange creatures that will blow your minds. We all experience ghost activity since we were young, and now we are calling them out to show themselves on camera. We are not afraid of ghosts or demons.
Researching the paranormal otherworldly.
Cannibalism and murder took place around Donner Lake around the time of the Donner Party saga. The Donner Party, who came from the Midwest and walked over these mountains in the 1800s, on their way to make new lives in California. Their ghosts still haunt the area around Donner Lake. Over the years, many people have reported seeing the ghostly Tamsin as she wanders through the darkness around Donner Lake. Some people have reported seeing a very large demon with red eyes and horns lurking around Donner Lake. There is also the ghostly bewhiskered man who is sometimes seen in broad daylight or dusk in and around Donner Lake. UFO sightings also have been reported to fly around the lake at night. Donner Lake is a hotspot for paranormal activity. Researching the Paranormal Otherworldly will investigate Donner Lake and the Donner Summit train tunnels. The Donner Pass tunnels sit at 7,000 feet above sea level in California's High Sierra Mountains, with each of these 15 genuinely great works of engineering located within a short drive from where members of the ill-fated Donner Party were trapped by weather during the winter of 1846 to 1847. People have reported seeing bright orbs, full-body apparitions of ghosts, people getting pushed, scratched, rocks being thrown, demons hiding in the tunnels, and also reports of a floating lady. There are so many ghost stories about Donner Lake and the Donner Summit tunnels. There is also reports of Bigfoot being around the area. Researching the Paranormal Otherworldly has investigated the Donner tunnels before, but now we are back and ready to capture some greater evidence. We will use all of our equipment to capture ghost, demons, UFO activity, and hopefully capture Bigfoot on camera. We will investigate Donner Lake in August. Let's see who we meet in the afterlife world. This is our Otherworldly series.
Chevonne.
Oh, Chevonne, yeah.
Yeah, she's a city girl.
Yeah, she is. I can do both now. I can go back and forth with these. Oh, babe.
And
Yep.
I'm a hardcore country girl, but, you know, but my first 5 years were in San Francisco.
Babe.
So.
That's where we're supposed to stay.
Oh,
The
yeah?
other side of the lakes.
Any one of them, even the little dog.
No, I like
down
that.
here.
I like that little two-story one right there.
Fuck, I like this beautiful one right across from us.
Oh, no, it's gorgeous, right?
Yeah. Let's go with those.
But did you see that one over there?
Yeah, that yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow and blue. Yeah. I like that one too. The gray one.
The gray one.
Right there's the Donner Summit tunnels.
Yeah.
Hopefully you can see it on camera. Zoom out.
They got a couple. look at they got a really tiny one. Probably just
That's what I mean, yeah. I said I'd take any of those even at the end, right? Just
You can see them. There they go. Donner trains. Donner Summit tunnels. Train tunnels.
Or bunk beds. Because that's what they usually do in cabins.
Oh, I hadn't thought of bunk beds.
Yeah, they usually do that in cabins. At least the cabins in Julian.
Yeah.
There's bunk beds. And then there's like a couch that folds out to a bed.
So that's four. And if you have two more, that's six. Dedicated ones. Take from one twin bed size on the floor.
This is research in the paranormal otherworldly.
Even the cabins that like the KLA.
Rocket wheel. Battle pop.
Oh my God.
If you wait.
So when you got driving in your car. Oh. They don't look up this way for a bit. Actually, it's possible. You've been sucking on that doormat forever. They used to harvest ice from the truck. Oh. And the ice would be 4 foot thick. They would cut it into smooth blocks. Put it in wagons and turn it back in. Oh, wow. Yeah. And it has to
Possibility it could be.
4x4 blocks.
This is.
Turn up the 3x3 instead of 4x4. So that is much more than the 1x1s that we start out with and have half by half. Right?
Nothing this time. It's quiet this time.
You say that and another door.
The other one I got like.
There is a realm that exists parallel to our own, a spirit realm, always present, seldom glimpsed. Good evening, welcome back to Researching the Paranormal Otherworldly. This is Otherworldly series, and tonight we have something different for you. We're coming to you from Donner Lake in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Today, this lake is a beautiful rustic getaway, place to go fishing, water skiing, play in the water, but the name comes from a very gruesome chapter in Old West history. A group of settlers led by George and Jacob Donner attempted an ill-advised crossing of the pass, and after a series of mistakes and mishaps, ended up stuck here as the snow hit. Anybody that's spent time in these mountains knows the snow can pile up to 20 feet up here. They found themselves stranded in a makeshift camp and out of food as malnutrition and the elements began to claim members of their party. Some of the survivors ate their comrades to survive. Maybe some of their souls are still out here tonight. Let's see who we meet.
Doing a ghost, it's from Ghost View. It's called the Fire Cap.
Fire cap.
And we're trying to get spirits to talk to us so we can talk to them. What is a fire camp?
It said fire cap.
That's what it sounded like.
Were you in a fire camp? I was. Okay, let me put it this way. Is there anybody from the Donner Lake tragedy that want to speak to us?
Come on.
Drive down a lake?
Drive down a lake? Did he say drive down a lake?
It almost sounds like drive by the light.
Or drive by the light?
Drive by the light? Do you know about the light?
It's actually more stable over here. Anybody else want to communicate?
Have you heard of a demon in this lake?
Yeah. I'm not at butt edge.
You got two good swimmers here, so if he does go...
They said, what you know about... Chevonne, come on now. I'm good. We're recording.
Is there anybody from the Donner Lake tragedy who would like to converse with us?
They wouldn't know it was even called Donner Lake. Are there any of the settlers who headed west with George and Jacob Donner in 1846?
Oh, I heard something.
I said, yeah. Keep going, Dave. They seem to be responding to you.
Do you know what year it is now? It's 2023.
Hey, is there a possibility we reverse you two? Put him with his back to the water?
Okay, sure.
Who?
Dave.
You be careful, Dave.
Dave? Oh, I know.
Dave's a swimming. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Anybody who would like to speak to us tonight?
I'm here.
That is a spirit.
Hey, we're far away. They won't hear us from here. No, not over here. No.
Is there any young ones out there?
What?
I said,
Jen.
Jen?
Kent.
Or Ken?
your name's Kent?
Tragedy.
Tragedy. Oh.
So did you...
Look for. 4 plus 4.
Plus 4?
Say 10.
So, were you with the wagon train that tried to make it over the pass in the winter of 1846?
Is that what the tragedy was about?
Was that the tragedy?
Were they hurt in a boating accident? You know, they could be current ghosts.
Yeah, but we're trying to get in contact with the Donner Party.
You're only gonna get in contact with whoever wants to talk.
With whoever wants to talk, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, we don't want to hear from you.
We'd like to hear from anyone who wants to talk to us tonight.
You guys are pretty silent.
That was weird.
Ask him, were you hurt in a boating accident?
I seen a mist.
Were you hurt in a boating accident?
I'm not up there.
There is a mist.
I seen a
It's
mist.
not a mist. That is...
Cloud.
That is part of the Milky Way.
No, not up there. It went past the camera.
There was a mist that went past the camera?
Yeah.
The spirit. Is there a spirit amongst us right now?
So what did you mean by drive by the light?
Drive by the... They're talking about the light over there?
Are you talking about this light right here?
Binoculars.
Or are we talking about spiritual light?
Oh, I get it. Hey Dave, could you pass me those binoculars in the blue bag?
Yeah.
If you can, real quick.
Then go get it. Get yourself. Just jump up and do it.
Okay.
It's very sturdy. It's very sturdy, Chevonne.
My name is
Thank you.
Leroy.
Say there you go.
Researching the paranormal otherworldly.
Lee,
Also known as the demon hunter.
could you turn your chair around? Because I don't want to record in just your back.
I wish you would, though. No.
No. What was that sound? Did you hear that?
That's just the deck squeaking.
Oh no, not that one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So anybody want to speak out there?
The dogs here too. This is the problem with being.
We just want to know what happened. And it doesn't have to be way back when. It could be recent.
Does anybody know any stories that happened, you know, recent at here? I mean, at Donner Lake? I'm not sure. Did it stop?
What the fuck? It don't stop like that.
Hmm.
It's just a piece of it. Like I said, it used to be much bigger. Much wider.
Okay, so...
Well, viewers, it seems that maybe not too many spirits want to talk tonight. We got a little bit. We got something about drive by the light and tragedy.
Mm-hmm.
Ask them about the tunnel.
Oh, good one.
Want to talk about the tunnels up on the mountain behind us? Fuck, I got low battery, and then it turned out this thing had 2 full bars.
Must have got drained.
Turn it back up.
Is there anybody that remembers the train tunnels, such as Asians?
Such as Asians.
You know why I said that?
Yeah, I know why.
Nope, low battery. Won't do anything. Got about 14 minutes on here.
I'm recording you guys, so... you want... If that one gets too quiet, we can use a different spirit box and see if that'll...
Hey,
Chevonne, do you have your phone?
I'll turn mine off.
Do you have your phone, Chevonne?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's more. I'm seeing all kind of falling stars.
Okay, so we're gonna cut right now.
Okay, cut.
Oh! So, no telling what's going on, but the Rem Pod...
Connected.
Oh, you're finally connected?
Yes.
Turn your volume
There's
on.
50% battery on that. Volume's up.
That Rem Pod's going off.
Okay, viewers, that Rem Pod is going crazy.
Here, I'll leave it with you. I mean...
Oh,
So
shit.
if you want to communicate...
Do you think it's because that speaker's right there?
No, because it was sitting next to the speaker the whole time. And then it just started going off.
Oh,
You do want to
keep talking
communicate.
to us. Keep talking to us.
Make the other light change. Do
To
a different light.
color. Come on, we got other lights here.
It's like Morse code or something.
Over here, over here, over here. Oh, shit.
Oh, wait.
Come on, turn them on. Turn on this light. I wonder, couldn't have been my hair. No.
No, that thing was going off.
And your hand was away from it.
Want to tell the viewers a little bit about that?
You might want to put that light off of him. Get that light off of you, Andre. So he's talking to you right now.
Andre?
Well,
Want to tell the viewers a little bit about what we just saw?
The Rem Pod
I'm sorry.
just started going crazy. It's been sitting next to that speaker the whole time, and it hasn't been doing anything. And all of a sudden, it just starts beeping a whole lot.
That's the spirit box, right?
There's no explanation for that. Oh, there we go. Now they're using Necrophonics. That part's always loud.
That's still hella loud.
So, there's people outside too, baby. I'm recording.
That's correct.
So,
and then one switch up and down, and then the next one over turns it off.
okay.
But if you catch it quickly, it'll go back to where you need it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go back over here now.
I think that was the most activity we got from the Rem Pod.
That just said Leroy.
Say Leroy? It's on. What do you mean it's on?
So, you want to speak now?
It did.
I just got an orb. Lee.
It's telling
Behind you. I just captured an orb flying.
That's what it just said.
Why is it on echo?
I got it.
So we can understand the
So I
words.
can hear it.
Wait, what is this?
Who is here?
How many people you think we're hearing?
At least 5.
Hello? Hey, you want to communicate with us?
We heard Brent again. We heard him twice.
It's been Brian.
Touch this Rem Pod right
I just got another orb. Another orb
that
flew
goes
by.
like that. Touch that Rem Pod.
I think the spirits are finally coming towards us. You hear me?
What?
The spirits are finally coming towards us now. I'm getting orbs and stuff.
Let me see, baby.
They're flying right past the screen. Light anomalies everywhere.
Oh, I see it. I'm freezing. I can't move.
Yeah, twice.
I'm freezing. I can't move.
Okay, viewers, it started off really pretty quiet out here on this dock, but it has suddenly ticked up.
Yeah, it started changing.
We have an estimate of 5 different individuals speaking to us.
I'll be prepared tomorrow.
What did you mean by tragedy?
I just seen something fly across that water.
I'm gonna try something, Andre.
You did?
Yep. There are bats. I thought so.
See, because the bugs,
Hey Google.
they can see them through the light.
Yeah.
Translation.
Yeah, I've been seeing all kinds of bats. They were flying all over there. That's why I looked.
Sorry, what do you want to translate?
Oh, no.
Chinese.
Here's some details.
Oh my God.
I'm going to be jacket and let everybody sleep.
It ain't happening. We couldn't be so fucking lucky.
All right.
It ain't happening. Hey, how can I get you to stay longer? Your legs cold? Is that what it is? Or no, everywhere. Is that what you mean, not naturally?
Alright.
I mean, I was about to take it. Yeah, I just saw that fly up there.
We're gonna cut.
Okay.
Okay, viewers, welcome back to Donner Lake. Started out pretty quiet, but then we started getting a lot of activity on the spirit box. It seemed there were at least 5, maybe more individuals communicating with us. In addition to reported spirits and reports of a demon with red eyes haunting these shores, this is also a known location for various other anomalies. There is said to be a monster that lives in the lake here that was spotted by the manager of the hotel here, the Donner Lake Village. There have been UFOs, strange lights reported in the skies around here, as well as Sasquatch or a Bigfoot kind of creature that has been reported in the woods near here. So there is just absolutely no telling what we might meet out here.
Yeah.
Because we're looking for all of them.
And
Okay, Andre, you want to tell the viewers a little bit about what we're going to do next?
we're gonna try the Ghost Box VRX. And this one picks up a lot of spirit voices as well. So let's see what we get. You want to put this,
Ask me how many spirits are here.
Alright, I'm gonna start recording.
Thank you.
Gotta thank you.
Thank you.
Spirits are here.
Whoa.
How many spirits are here?
We need a clear answer.
It's the next year.
We need a clear answer.
It's the next year.
What? It's 5 of us.
Do me a favor.
It sounded like it said it's 5 of us.
Put one of those lights on.
Oh, he got smart with you. No. Okay, who is this? What?
Sounds like some of it's trying. Let me try this.
Yeah.
Is there any Asians out there?
Did you hear that? I could have sworn it said the it sounded like it said the N-word. Oh my god.
I guess.
What are you guys saying?
You gotta speak slower.
Oh, somebody said shut the fuck up. Are you getting smart with us?
No, you're the people.
Said, who are you?
That's what I thought.
Said, who are you?
My name is Leroy.
Oh.
Right now.
Is A here? Heard music.
Are there any children?
Behind you.
That was Chinese.
Animation.
Function, right.
What was that?
Oh.
Did you work on the train?
I don't think so.
Up the hill.
Up the hill.
David asked that question on the Donner.
Audio.
Is there anybody here? Anyone here who was on the wagon train with George and Jacob Donner in the winter of 1846?
Shut up. It sounded like it said.
Here we are. And very well.
Very well. Why are they telling us to shut up?
Now, you know, the other thing is...
Buckle up.
Not a
What's going on?
I heard buckle.
Buckle up. Buckle up.
Yeah, I heard that too.
You know that, you guys?
That's right.
What?
This was not a good experience for them.
Oh, no.
So
No.
more than likely, they don't want to come back here.
No.
Unless they never left.
Yeah.
Well, people have reported seeing them. So.
Not necessarily right here, up at the park.
Reinstall it.
You know,
Do me a favor.
Overwhelming.
This
Overwhelming.
Saturday, she said,
You're overwhelming.
this is a Rem Pod that's right by me. You see the red light? Go by it and change the light.
Touch it.
Whoa. So you sure you want to do that?
Yes.
Is that a demon? I've been waiting for you.
Say it out loud.
Different language.
Not early. I've been taking it.
Hey, I've been waiting for you.
2014.
I'm here.
Thanks, like.
And I was...
Just by how you
Just by height.
think it's like.
Are you guys just conversating with each other? Yes. I heard bitch.
Ruth one.
Well, which one?
How many women are here?
Goes that.
What was that?
How many women are here?
Rebellion.
Rebellion.
What are you rebelling against?
That was a little kid.
I hope you.
I hope you what?
Coffee mug.
That person likes to say buckle on.
Right?
Is there a demon out there?
The spirit.
They simply have to.
They sent them to Neptune. What? Spirit world.
Is the demon
And it's
coming?
sunny.
Was that you, A? I'm waiting for you, remember?
That was him. You heard the deep voice.
Remember when you interrupted our conversation
Oh, he's talking to you.
and you told me that you were the one that lifted my bed up?
Sorry, Andre, you are right in the wind's direction.
Oh. Okay.
You move.
No, I'll move.
Well,
For the. As we leave.
yeah, go on.
You
Oh
were
yeah,
all
go on.
talkative and everything.
Operator.
You said you wanted to take me out.
Too close to the lake.
Huh?
You're pretty close to the lake.
That's not bothering me.
To do things.
Did you have any part in pushing the landing debris?
I hope.
Murderer.
Is it?
I asked that question again. Did you have a part? Did you have a part in pushing Patty debris?
I was over.
First of all,
I was over.
Late customer.
Do you know Patty McGree?
I'm sure she
You want a yes?
Get between.
Don't
you
get
know
between.
Patty McGree.
Wow.
Where's it?
Treatment.
Ask him again.
He had this.
Do you know Patty McGree?
I do? I heard I do.
Did you have a part in it? Of pushing her?
Yeah, they might have a part. Did you push her?
Most of them. Come on, 20.
Hey, did you push her?
Look at your hole.
Who pushed her?
BC.
Oh shoot, I know who they said. I don't think I'm gonna say the name, but it starts with a B. It said, okay, I'm gonna have to say it because otherwise we'll be left clueless.
I think I know what it is.
It said Beelzebub.
Yes.
Farm's gonna go burn it, Seth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was. I don't know that.
You know who that is.
Are you BB?
Treatment for things like
Yeah. Keep hearing treatment.
Treatment.
Treatment. What does treatment mean? I'm freezing.
good thing.
Learn more.
Learn more.
1.5.
Yeah, going.
Alright. We'll cut this part real quick.
Tonight.
Tell him behind you.
That's what it just said.
Why is it on
behind it.
echo?
I got it. So I can hear it.
Yeah.
Who's here?
How many people do you think we're hearing?
At least 5.
Hello? Hey, you want to communicate with us?
We heard Brent again. We've heard him twice, right?
And Brian.
Touch us.
How can I get you to stay longer? Your legs cold? Is that what it is? Or no, everywhere. I mean, not naturally. And I was about to take out the I just saw that fly up there. What else you got on? Maybe you should bring them a doctor see anything?
My name is Leroy.
Dave.
You'd like me to call you by the name Leroy. Is that right?
Yeah, Dave.
Someone like to speak to me?
Chinese.
In Chinese, that's 有人喜欢和你说话. By the way, I can now translate back and forth. To try it, just keep speaking in either language.
Who worked in the Donner?
Cancel at any time.
Who worked in the Donner train tunnels?
谁在唐纳火车隧道工作?
What did you mean by tragedy? I'm gonna try something, Andre. Hey Google.
They can see them through the
Translation.
Sorry, what do you want to translate?
Chinese.
Here are some details.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that goes like that. Touch that Rem Pod.
What?
Light anomalies everywhere.
Oh, I see. I'm free.
Not a big smoke.
Dead twice.
Okay, viewers, it started off really pretty quiet out here on this dock, but it has suddenly ticked up. We have an estimate of 5 different individuals speaking to us.
This is Researching the Paranormal